Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech, and today we are going to learn new operator in modern JavaScript, that is spread operator. So let's start. To use spread operator, let's take an example. So suppose you are having an array of names like this and a movie object containing 3 properties, and you want to perform some operation on names array. So instead of changing the original array, you want to copy that array into another array so you can perform the operation. So there are various ways you can do that. So I will use slice method to copy that array, and let me log the names copy array to the console so we can see the result. Okay, so here you can see names copy array is logged to the console. So in modern JavaScript there is a new technique you can do that. You can do same using spread operator. So how we use spread operator, we have to specify the square brackets here, and how we specify the spread operator, we use 3 dots and then the target variable. In this case we have to use the names array, and names array should be copied into names copy array. So let me save the changes, and here you can see the names array is logged to the console. So spread operator basically does what? It pulls out the elements from the original array and puts them into the new array. So here we have surrounded it with square brackets, so it will copy the elements, it will extract the elements from the names array and put them into the square brackets. So that's how we get a new array. And suppose you want to copy the movie object, so we will create another object, that is movie copy, and to use the spread operator here we have to copy the object. So we will specify curly braces over here, and then after 3 dots we have to specify the target object, so that is movie, and instead of logging names copy, I will log the movie copy object to the console. And as here you can see, movie copy object is logged to the console. So guys, that's it for now. If you want to see the video related to array methods, I will add a link in the description. See you in the next video.